Bullish Ethereum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5,665.87 and $12,339.01 by 2030. Market investigators accept ETH could reach $5,665.87 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2022 is $1,007.27. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports shrewd agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum organizers. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a great many monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary mediators like banks, businesses, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are similarly conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for starting coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to construct any protected advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. Ethereum key examination. It's memorables fundamental that most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the financial exchange. Subsequently, by finishing a reasonable key examination and taking into account all the data that is right now open about the venture, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of major examination is to determine a resource's inborn worth. For example, you might assess whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inner and outside factors. Ether is significant as a result of a few variables. In any case, its handiness is significant for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money convention classes of advances, decentralized trades, subordinates, resources, and installments require Ether expenses. Moreover, the environment of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and various, as found in the pictures beneath. Second, Ether is the safe resource for decentralized finance on the grounds that it is used as security in the decentralized money convention. For example, getting or loaning Ether to expand a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another sort of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens NFT, for example, crypto collectibles are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is as of now worth $1,259.08 USD. ETH has moved 1.63% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,122,517,721. Ethereum is as of now position 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $154,078,768,496 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ethereum value expectation 2022. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1,844.97. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1,721.97 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $1,475.98. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $3,074.95. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2,459.96 and a typical exchanging cost of $2,705.96. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4,304.93 and ETH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3,935.93 and a low of $3,689.94 in 2024. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2025. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $5,534.91, with a base cost of $4,919.92 and a typical cost of $5,165.91. Ethereum Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6,395.89 by 2026, with a base cost of $6,149.90 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $6,764.89. Ethereum Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7,625.87. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $7,994.87. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $7,379.88. Ethereum Value Forecast 2028. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8,609.86 and a yearly cost close